It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with your succulent tip of the day and the grand reveal in Chula Vista. An elephant in the room, huh? Right? The merch is back up in the store at lauraeubanks.com. So run, don't walk, and get your fun merch. We've got old stuff, we got new stuff. So for those of you that have been asking, lauraeubanks.com. Okay, so 2 days, guys. 2 days, and we did the demo. I am so proud of our crew. These guys and Hannah are unbelievable. The client is gobsmacked. As well they should be, right? Because these plants I'm sorry, I'm distracted. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. This chamois beige too is giving me life. So I wanted to blow out this middle section that you're looking at right now. And so I did the black, kind of the black ribbon. I only did it in the middle section. I didn't do any on the flanks, what's the third R of good design? Restraint, right? So what we have is, the usual suspects. We did the amended topsoil. We staged our boulders. These are Baja Cresta. We did drip, Netafim, commercial grade drip installation throughout. We ran micro sprayers to the more intricate tapestry areas to be sure that everything was getting water. We moved one of the client's pots out from the back. Look at this massive Echeveria gibiflora. Just to give you kind of an idea, this thing is twice the size of my head. Unbelievable. So this client knows her stuff. She knows succulents, and I'm so confident that she is going to do a phenomenal job of general maintenance in this garden. So here you have it. All of our little vignettes, you can see that we have areas now that are in shade. We have areas that are still in sun. Microclimatically, there's 40 or 50 microclimates here, but this is Chula Vista. It is not far enough east that it gets ridiculous. Where we used to live in Chula Vista was probably 5 or 6 miles east of this, and we didn't get those ocean breezes like they get here. So the breeze right now is just a blowing, and it's just very pleasant. So here we have our driveway flank, this stack wall. Isn't that just playing beautifully against these plants and rock? I told my client that she can take, if she wants to do, because she's a really good designer too, does beautiful pots. She can do some vases on her, on all of her little, what do you call these? Pillars. Yeah, she got 1, 2, 3 pillars. With succulents, and that would look really, really pretty. We really played off of the borrowed landscape here too. Whichever one of you suggested moving the pot from the back corner into the landscape, thank you so much. That was such a smart idea. So we did. We took your advice, and we moved the pot. So what else can I tell you about this? You will see tapestry through here. We did not, you want to fix that gate? We did not overplant. I really feel proud of myself. I think I showed some really good restraint. I'm learning, as I go. The potential of these plants, they're going to get a lot bigger, and I want to let them do that without having to perform a lot of surgery, right? So, for example, this crassula and undulata, in a couple of years, this is going to own this entire area here. And I'd like it to be able to do that. Shall we show them the little vignette by the front door? I did this morning. I did add a little bit of black rock here. I don't know. I just felt like it needed it because this is super visual. This leads right up to the front door, and I wanted it to be kind of special. So I did add a little bit of black on top of the chamois there.
We didn't hose down this side.
Oh, we didn't hose down that. Whoops, we forgot that side. Okay. And then over here, again, just a simple little vignette. I didn't want to go too complicated because we do have hardware here that has to be assessed, and I wanted to, you know, allow for that. So again, these plants, you know, will do their thing. We've got this little xeriscape area over here where I moved a little columnar cactus from the back and popped in a couple of her attenuatas that were in the front. And then the top dressing, this looks like Southwest Brown, 1/2 inch. And I just slopped down the top dressing that was around this little cactus. It's this little white marble rock, and there's a few little glass beads, and I kind of sprinkled that around, and I'm loving that. I think that's really, really cute. So this won't get any irrigation, but that's okay. It's in pretty deep shade. All right, so that's it. 2 days. Next, we will be doing some maintenances. We're going to be in Los Angeles. We're going to be all around. I have Griffin, the succulent big boy, all next week. So you may see some cameos with him as well. Yeah, that's all I got for you. I'm excited to see you guys send me pictures of you in your merch to my Instagram at Laura Loves Succulents. I always get such a kick out of seeing you in your gear. So be sure and send me some pictures. And get out in your gardens and have a ball. This has been Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with your grand reveal in Chula Vista and your succulent tip of the day. Bye, guys.